5 cups of feet higher than that, we're seeing some very heavy snow. We could pick up another 1.5 feet when all is said and done. As this continues to push eastward, there's still some tricky travel around the Reno area. We'll see some snow tonight, picking up a couple more inches. We'll start to dry out on the backside a little bit. Start to leave on Monday, but the sunshine returning. Good news for all the wet weather as of late. Just a couple showers in Southern California. This disturbance.
Keep going, keep going.
Crossing the Mountain West and the plains, and giving some very nice little weather along the Gulf Coast later on. Just a couple of showers into the southeast tonight. Very spotty here, but plenty of clouds. Clouds, a big indication of moisture.
Making her mad.
Weather on the way Monday night around the Houston area, the Gulf Coast. Merry Christmas Tuesday. Check out weather.com homepage.
Live RCU Skycam Network on Skyborn 24/7.
Hey, you're cute.
Oh, don't brown, baby. Fix it.
You that stinker. What's in there? What's in there? Can I see? Can I see what's in there? Show me. No.
Don't let him in your box, Weenie. Don't let him in your box. He's gonna get you, Mark.
Okay, I'll stay over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no. What? You think I'm gonna run tonight? Stinker. Stinker. What? What's in there? Is there something in there? I'll go get it. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, you vicious little critter. You don't wreck it. Hey, get in there.
Say thank you, Jackie and Becky, for getting me a new toy. Oh, she's done.